down corn sure slows everything up.
Well, we would have had this done by now.
I'm sure. There's already a whole bunch of birds out there in the field. Or deer. They're deer.
Deer.
Oh my gosh. Man, who left these trucks on the road? Bozos. We've been here for about 45 minutes and we've already got one pickup truck stuck. So we're picking or shelling corn. And it's December 4th. We've had one hellacious fall as far as weather goes. We've had rain, we've had ice, we've had snow. Hopefully I don't hit this truck on this bridge. Not too close. And so we've got about 500 acres of soybeans still standing, and we're cutting down on what we started with, about 500 acres of corn. I think we're down to at least 450, maybe more than that is out. From what they just started running today. So in these conditions, right now there's no snow on the ground. It all melted off the last couple of days, and the temperatures are now finally down below freezing to where we can actually get on the ground. We're still mudding things up, and it's not pretty, and it's not fun, and it's not ideal. But at this point in the game, if we can get in our fields, we get in our fields. Because it's December 4th, and Mother Nature could just deal us a horrific blow to where we could be stuck out of our field for the rest of the winter with some of the winters we've had up here in northeast Indiana. So I've been trucking, moving full and empty semis back and forth between some of our drying bins, and our drying bins are manned with a couple of guys at each one, or a guy at each one, just unload trucks so we can just keep trucks moving back and forth, and we're not standing at the bin watching it empty while the boss is calling for a semi. So we can just keep our fleet of trucks moving and keep someone just dumping whatever's full at the bin, and me and another guy are just on the road moving semis back and forth, staging them at the next farm, and so on and so forth. So enjoy the rest of this vlog. Yeah, we're going to tow a truck behind a semi, I know. Alright, so we didn't get a lot of corn ran tonight. I think we got in the neighborhood of 95 acres done in 3 different fields. And we had just done a lot of work on my boss's corn head in the shop right before we went back out to start working on corn. And there was a few things I wouldn't say got missed per se, but there were things you wouldn't have known were still problematic till you got out in the field and started running again. So he decided to pull it back in the shop this evening and finish kind of tightening things up on the corn head so that here over the next few days, while we've got really good weather to run corn in, he can push it hard and not feel like he's gonna tear anything apart per se. So as I said, got about 95 acres of corn harvested this evening in, like, I don't know, maybe 8 hours, 6 hours time. Probably 8. I wasn't here this whole time. And I just dropped off a semi, or started unloading a semi at one of our bin sites, and we're having some auger problems. A couple of the other guys were there, so they started tearing into the auger issue, and I'm heading home. So until next time, have a good evening.